Hi everyone. So in this video, I will tell you about how you can enable the Docker window containers. Um, Whenever we try to install the Docker desktop in our system, and after when we try to run it on our desktop machine, then it throws this Docker desktop window containers not enabled error. So how we can fix this, I will tell you about in this video. So what are the things that we need to do? Let me tell you first. So first of all, we need to enable the window feature, which is Hyper-V, and then we need to do some configuration into our window desktop machine, which is enable the containerization. With the help of this command, we can achieve that. I will paste this in our video. So let's start. Open the window feature. And then, yeah, this is Hyper-V. I already enabled that. Just check this box and click on OK. And it will take some time to configure this. After that, we need to run this uh, command into our window PowerShell in the administration mode. So open it into the administrator mode. And then copy this and paste this. And then click on enter. Once it will run, it will ask you to click yes and no, and click the yes button or Y button, and it will configure that containerization into your system. Uh, and then once it is completed, it will restart your operating system, and then you can open the Docker desktop and you can play with it. I already done this process. Let me show you. Yeah. So with the help of this, we can achieve this. That is all. Thank you very much.